Hi guys, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Now we start off with Lastmid, who found himself at the center of attention on Twitter, that is X, as Ghanaians expressed excitement over him not being signed with Naira Marley's Malian music. This unexpected trend stems from Naira Marley's previous interest in signing Lastmid during his visits to Ghana. His interest did not materialize because Lastmid was already signed to a label. In the wake of Nigeria's Mohbad's tragic demise, many Ghanaians have begun to view Lastmid not signing Malian music as a fortunate escape, speculating that had he signed with the label, he might have faced similar challenges and disputes over his music rights, echoing what Mohbad had allegedly experienced during his tenure with Malian music. What can I say? After all, everything is alleged, so yeah, let's move on and we just thank God. But yes, moving on, Incredible Ziggy has rendered an apology following backlash on his comments about dancers being the main drivers for making songs popular these days. In a recent interview, he made a statement saying, "It's like the artists are sleeping and we are the ones blowing the song." Ziggy's comments received a lot of backlash on social media, and he has since rendered an unqualified apology while giving more insight into his comments. Now we have the statement he put out. So let's read it. He says, "Dear cherished fans of Incredible Ziggy, lovers of music and dance, I was recently interviewed on Ghana's esteemed media outlet, Hits FM, discussing the important topic of recognizing dancers on major entertainment platforms, given the vital role they play in promoting music. Regrettably, it seems that my comments have been misunderstood, and I would like to clarify that we are all interconnected in the same creative family. In reality, all I intended to say was we are all part of the same artistic ecosystem, and our collaborations are what make the industry thrive. Dancers help bring the music created by our hardworking musicians to life through their incredible talent, creativity, and dance routines. Hence, the quest for recognition through award platforms. It is the synergy between artists and dancers that truly makes the magic. I apologize for any offense caused, and I want to emphasize my respect for artists and the entire entertainment industry. Let's celebrate each other's talents and work together to create unforgettable art. Thank you for your understanding, and I look forward to a future filled with incredible collaborations and positive energy. Sincerely, Incredible Ziggy." What can we say? Moving on, Burna Boy has postponed his concert scheduled for this Saturday at FNB Stadium in Johannesburg. The singer's concert had been rescheduled for December 16th, according to recent announcements. Now, this decision was made after rumors emerged that there were internal issues between the organizers and the stadium management, which raised questions about the concert. On Tuesday, a message on Ticket Pro website confirmed that ticket sales had been temporarily stopped and the event had been postponed until further notice. Burna Boy put out a statement talking about the situation, so let us read it. He says, "Sadly, it's with great regret that we must inform you that despite my team's efforts, the show in Johannesburg on September 23rd will be cancelled due to inability of the promoters to fulfill their contractual, financial, production, and technical obligations. Production vendors have apparently still not been paid, and as such, it is evident that at this point, the agreed production standard needed for this venue size cannot be achieved. We hereby state that all ticketing companies must ensure that everyone is refunded in full. Deepest apologies to all the fans. Looking forward to seeing you all soon. Spaceship Management." Now, this had to be said because people were spreading rumors that out of 90,000 tickets, only 1,500 were sold. Because, I mean, there's some history, bad blood between, South Africa and Burna Boy, and a lot of people were saying that they didn't think that South Africans were going to support Burna Boy and all of that. So, the crack kind of said December, Burna Boy is still going to South Africa. Moving on, coming back to Ghana, Rexoma has taken to his social media page to advise young people in Africa, especially Ghana, not to worry themselves about holding a white wedding ceremony after performing their traditional marriage rites. According to him, in the African jurisdiction, the traditional ceremony is the real marriage. Now, he put it out on Facebook, so let's read the post. He says, "My dear young people of Africa, after the two families have met and you are done performing the traditional marriage ceremony with all the customs, please stop calling it an engagement. That is the actual marriage according to our African tradition laid down for us by our ancestors. Do not, after that, put pressure on yourselves to waste money that could have been used to start life to go perform another white European wedding ceremony and call that the marriage. Our ancestors were not stupid. For lack of knowledge, my people perish." Guys, moving to some international news. Rihanna has outdoored her new family. You know, she's showed pictures of her new baby, her beautiful boy. He's called Riot Rose. Hey, Riot Rose. And the first son is Riza. And yes, I just wanted to show you pictures of them with A$AP Rocky. It's so beautiful to see. She's finally outdoored them, and all the blogs are posting her. And yes, it's just a beautiful family. But guys, that's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment and lifestyle. We at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.